Recombinant proteins are some of the most important products in the world. They're used in medicine, they're critical in developing novel agricultural solutions so that we can feed the world better and more sustainably. And if they can't be produced at scale, well, none of those products are going to matter. I'm Matt Anderson-Barron. I'm a co-founder and the CEO of Future Fields. We're here in the heart of Edmonton, Alberta at Future Fields HQ. Future Fields is a biomanufacturing company. We've developed a novel technology for producing high-value molecules called recombinant proteins. There are many different products like these in medical applications, in biotech research, life sciences research, industrial applications, even in things like detergents, recombinant proteins are utilized. At Future Fields, we've developed a platform for making these that's fundamentally different from what's been used for the last 50 years.
For 50 years, the industry has been using systems like yeast, E. coli, or mammalian cells, engineered to produce recombinant proteins and grown in big, costly, complicated steel tanks called bioreactors. These bioreactors need really precise conditions to work. They take a ton of energy to run, they're fragile and prone to contamination. What Future Fields does differently is instead of cells in a steel tank, they use the whole insect, what they call the EntoEngine. The EntoEngine uses genetically engineered fruit flies to produce the target protein, which are grown in plastic containers on scalable feedstock. The biomass is harvested and broken down into a liquid, and the protein is purified out the same way you would with a traditional system. It's the starting point that's fundamentally different, and that's what allows the EntoEngine to get around the limitations that have held the industry back, doing it better, faster, cheaper, and more sustainably.
We see a future where we can have a zero-waste biomanufacturing system where we can start to upcycle and valorize the side streams of our process to create things like chitosan and animal feed and basically anything that you can create from our system. So we really do believe that these are fundamental for humanity, and the work that we're doing here is helping to push the envelope on those. The ERA was a huge part of the build out of Instar, our biomanufacturing facility. Their support helped us to not only acquire the infrastructure and build out the facility, but to operationalize it, to get it going and up and running, which we need to scale, and we need to be able to fulfill our commercial obligations to our clients. So having a facility that we can show and can be proud of is a really critical part of growing the company commercially.